We start with making a fresh paste of mustard seeds. Now I'm using 2 varieties of mustard and I highly recommend you do the same as well. The ratio of these 2 seeds in this dish is very important. I start with 5 teaspoons of black mustard seeds, which are way more pungent and has the husk on. And then I'm gonna add 10 teaspoons of yellow mustard seeds, which are a bit milder in nature and is very easy to digest. Let them soak in water along with 2 chillies for about an hour. Now we'll make the paste. We'll take a strainer and strain out the excess water and put it in a mixer grinder. In the first churn, I don't add any water. Let's open and see. Yes, it's a coarse mix right now. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ginger paste and some salt and some water. Put it on. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric for a golden nice color. Make a fine paste of this mix, which is so easy to make and yet so very festive. If you can source some good live fish for this recipe, then nothing like it. If you watched us till here, then I'm sure you loved our recipe. If you did, do not forget to hit that like button and do subscribe by hitting the bell icon so that you get a notification every single time we upload a new recipe. I'll see you soon again. Cheers!